In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your recordings better quality in OBS Studio. So to go and make sure all of your videos are in full HD, we're going to start by clicking on the settings window, click on video from the left hand side, make sure your base canvas resolution is set to 920 by 1080, and also make sure the output scale resolution is set to 920 by 1080. You can also set this to your native monitor screen size, and this will ensure that all of your videos are recorded in 1080p. Click on the drop down arrow next to FPS and select 60. Now click on output from the left hand side. Click on recording and make sure the output mode is set to advanced. Now go and select your recording path of where you want your recordings to be saved. For the recording format, we want to select fragmented MP4, and this is going to give us the best quality for our recordings. Now scroll down to the encoder settings, and here we need to change the bitrate. Now typically the higher the bitrate, the better quality of your video, but it does mean a larger file size. Now typically 10,000 bitrate is going to be more than enough for your videos, but if you do want to increase the quality even further, you can go and increase this to 15,000. Now just go and press apply and OK, and that's how you improve your video quality in OBS Studio. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.